Hey everybody, it's Tiffany. Welcome back. We're going to do a really quick one today on to-dos for taxes for January 1st. So, first off, Happy New Year. And my very favorite tax tip, something that I think every single person should do because you don't know when you're going to need it, is to take a picture of your odometer every January 1st and favorite it. Because then if you took it January 1st and January 1st, you have that whole year of mileage. So there's no questions about it. There's no trying to figure it out. You do still have to try and figure out your business mileage portion of that. But point is, you never know when you're going to need it. So please take a picture of your odometer every January 1st. All right. Second, pay any taxes that you think are going to be due. I like to have them paid by the end of the year, so by the 31st. So if you are self-employed, pay your fourth quarter estimate by the end of the year. You have until January, but pay it now. Get it paid, get it counted in this year, all that good stuff. If you know you're going to owe any additional tax, such as any additional income that you earned, a big bonus that you got, any stock sales you made that were profitable, if you have a taxable scholarship income, anything like that, if you know you're going to owe something, at least pay something. So we want to try and make it so that you don't owe a penalty for underpayment, and just get that all counted in this year. And start getting everything together. Start getting organized. Be ready to start collecting your W-2s. They're going to start coming in a couple of weeks. They have until January 31st to mail out your W-2s. But a lot of them now start doing it earlier because everything's computerized, so it should be fairly quick. Get ready to start getting those W-2s, 1099s for self-employment, 1099s for dividends, 1099s for interest, 1099s for stock sales. Those may not come until February, but start getting everything ready. 1098s for your mortgage interest. You have your property tax that you've already paid. You can start totaling that up. How much did you put into an IRA? Was it a traditional IRA or a Roth IRA? How much was spent on daycare? If you have kids at daycare, ask them for a statement. That statement should show how much you spent per child at the daycare for that year. It should have the name of the facility or the person, the EIN number if it's a business, or the social if it's a person. They may also have an EIN number, the address, and the phone number. So we need all of that. So go ahead and start asking for that and gathering all of that. Collect your charitable contribution totals. So go through and total, because you can't make any other donations after December 31st for this year, for 2023. Go ahead and total how much you donated to each charity, so it's nice and done. And your tax person may send you a checklist. That is based on what you had last year. So go ahead and get all that stuff ready. If anything has changed, make sure you include that as well, because we won't know that it's changed until we see you. So go ahead and start adding any new things that you may have gotten. And like I said, this is going to be a really quick one today, so we're already at the breakdown. Here it is. Take a picture of your odometer every January 1st and favorite it. Please, everybody should do this. Everybody. Pay any expected taxes for federal and state. So any kind of estimates or anything that you might owe or think you owe. Start getting all of your tax documents organized so it doesn't sneak up on you. I don't want you up until 2 in the morning the night of your, or the night before your tax appointment. I don't want you to come in here exhausted. I want you to have time and prepare and put things together in a nice kind of slow way, so that you make sure you get everything. If you're rushing, you forget stuff. So go ahead and start organizing now. If we need anything, we'll let you know. And other than that, have a great new year. I hope 2024 is great for you. Thanks. I'll see you next week.